Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So from today we will see a string function available in PHP. Here list of string function available in PHP. Some of string function we will see in our two previous session. So rest of string function we will cover in this session. So our first function is strrchr. This function search the last occurrence of our character into our string. Here is the syntax. Here strchr function have two parameters. First is string and second is character that we want to find into this string. After executing this function return string. Here is the example. Here strrchr function we will pass php demo string php welcome as our string and we want to find hp into our string. So hp is occur two times. First is here and second is here. So this function is give last occurrence. So this function is ignore first time and it will give hp welcome as your output. Now our next function is str_i_replace. So this function is replace some character with some other character in your string. This function is case insensitive. Case insensitive, that means your small p and your capital P both are a same character in this function. Here this function have total 4 parameter. First is find, second is replace, third is string and fourth is count. And after executing this function it give a string as a output. Here your find is specify the value to be find into your string. Here replace is specify the value to be replaced to the your this find string. Now next is string, that is your original string, and last is count. So this is optional, a variable that count the number of replacement in this function. Here after executing it gives string as a output. Here is the example str_i_replace function we will pass demo. So this function find a demo into your string. Here string that is replace to a demo. Here is the string php demo function. So your demo is replaced by string. So output is php string function. Now our next function is substr_replace. So this function is replace a part of string with another string. Here this function have total 4 parameter. First is your original string, second is your replacement. So replacement specify the string to be insert in string. Here third is start, specify where to start replacement in your string. Here replacement have total 3 possibility. First you can pass here positive number. If you pass positive then start replacing at specific position of your string. Here if we pass here negative number then it will replace from your ending of the string. And if we pass as a 0 then it will replace your first character or your starting position of your string. Here length is optional, specify how many characters should be replaced. Here after executing a substr replace it gives string as a output. Here is the example. Here we will use string as a hello. We want to replacement is word and we will pass 0. So 0 will be start replacing at first position of your string. Here is the output. Here hello will be replaced by word. So output is word. So now our next function is strrev. So it will reverse string. Here is the syntax. Here strrev function have one parameter string. After executing this will reverse string and it will give return value as a string. Here is the example. Here we will pass strrev function as a php demo. So this function reverse php demo and it will give this kind of output. Now our next function is add slash. Here this function will return string with backslash in front of predefined character. Here total 4 predefined character. First is single quote, second is double quote, third is backslash, and last is null. Here is the syntax. Here add slash is function. We will pass one string as a parameter, and after executing it will give a return value as a string. So here is example. Add slash is function. We will pass PHP demo string function. Now we will use double quotation before and after our string, and we will just print our string. So it will add backslash to our string. Here is the output. Now our next function is echo. So this function is output as a one or more string. Here is the syntax. Here this function have a one parameter string. Here we will pass one or more string into this function. Here after executing this function return void. So no value is written this function. Here is the example, str equal to hello world. Now we will just print hello world, so we will use echo and we will pass $str. So this function after executing it will give hello world as a output. Now our next function is print function. So this function is print one or more string as your output. Here after executing this function it will return integer. So this function is always return 1. Here we will pass one or more string into this function. Here is the example. Here str equal to hello world. So we will initialize our str as a hello world. Now we want to print this hello world. So we will use our print function, and this function is return hello world as a output. So thank you everyone. I hope you have understood string function. Thank you everyone.